Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Asad Safi. In this video, I will explain how this tool works table by table and how it helps calculate greenhouse gas emission from farm activities. Let's begin. Table 1. Farm details. The first input is farm area. I have entered 3 hectare here. This is important because at the end, the tool will calculate carbon intensity, which means total emission per hectare, so we can easily compare between farms. Table 2 is fuel use. Here we enter the quantity of fuel used per year in liter. Diesel is 100 liter, petrol is 150 liter and LPG is 50 liter. Emission factor used for diesel is 2.68 kg carbon dioxide equivalent per liter. Petrol emission factor is 2.31 kg carbon dioxide equivalent per liter. And for LPG is 1.5 kg carbon dioxide equivalent per liter. And source is IPCC. These terms are multiplied with fuel amount to give TO carbon dioxide equivalent, which means tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. These units help farmers understand total climate impact in one combined number. Table 3 is fertilizers and additives. Now we enter the amount of fertilizers used per year in kilogram. Urea is 120 kg, emission factor is 1.47 kg carbon dioxide per kilogram. DAP 50 kg, emission factor is 0.74 kg carbon dioxide per kilogram. Ammonium nitrate is 40 kg per year and emission factor is 1.3 kg carbon dioxide equivalent per kilogram. Organic manure is 200 kg and emission factor is 0.06 kg carbon dioxide equivalent per kilogram. These emissions come from use phase only, not production. Table 4 is livestock. Enter the number of animals on the farm. Dairy cattle are 5. Emission factor is 2.992 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per head per year. Beef cattle are 2 and emission factor is 1.496 tons of carbon dioxide per head per year. Calves are 3 and 0.408 tons of carbon dioxide per head per year. Sheep are 10, emission factor is 0.218 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per head per year. Goat are 8 and emission factor is 0.136 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per head per year. And source is IPCC Volume 4 Chapter 10. These emissions mainly come from methane due to digestion and nitrous oxide from manure. Table 5 is poultry. Hens are 100 and emission factor is 0.015 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per head per year. Ducks are 20, emission factor is 0.02 tons of carbon dioxide per head per year. Table 6 is manure management. This part calculate how the manure is managed. The manure amount is auto-estimated based on the numbers of animals and birds following the IPC 2019 standard. Now select the percentage of manure managed by composite 30%, direct soil applications 40%, biogas 20% and managed auto-calculated. Emission are based on methane and nitrous oxide released from each method. Table 7 is rice cultivation. If we grow paddy, enter the flooded area. I enter 2 hectare. Rice fields emits methane due to a waterlogging. Reference is IPCC Volume 4 Chapter 5. Table 8 is electricity. We enter electricity used from the grid. I entered 1200 kilowatt hour per year. The tool allows the user to input a custom emission factor based on their country's power source. This makes the tool flexible and globally usable. Table 9 is waste. Here we enter the waste handling data. Residue burning is 100 kg, export is 50 kg and applied to soil is 200 kg. Emission factor for residue burning is approximately 2.7 kg carbon dioxide equivalent per kilogram. And reference is IPCC Volume 4 Chapter 2. Now move on to Table 10, sequestration. Trees planted 20 and sequestration factor is 20 kg carbon dioxide equivalent per tree per year. This reduces emission since tree absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Now come on to the result section. Now when we click calculate, we get the following result. Methane emission is 1286.1 kg and nitrous emission is 92.0 kg and gross emission is 87.18 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. Sequestration is 0.40 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. Net emission is 86.7 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. And carbon intensity is 28.93 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per hectare. The pie chart shows contribution by each activity like fuel, livestock, fertilizers. This helps farmers see which activity is the highest emitter so they can improve. This tool is now live, so you can go on the official website of Enviraj. It can help farmers, researchers and policymakers to track the reduced farm-based emission Big thanks to Angraj Consulting and my mentor, Mr. Rajiv Pandey, for the opportunity to work on a real world project that can create a real impact. Thank you for watching.